Hey there growers, I'm Dylan and welcome back to Grow Closet. So today we're going to be featuring Athena's Stack, and this is one of their bloom-based products that can be used in foliar feeding or in root drenching. But it's not recommended to be used if you're using emitters. And the reason for that is because it does contain kelp, so you could have biofilm buildup or just any type of organic material buildup. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this product, as I mentioned, is kelp-based, but it does contain tricantanol as well, and it has a little bit of humic acid that's derived from the kelp itself. You can root drench, you can use this in transplant, in foliar spray, and even in seed treatment, but like I said, you shouldn't use this with emitters due to the organic material. Now, this product was designed to be a more cost-effective product as compared to the Heavy 16 or Canis Boost. So it is going to be a lot more affordable than that, and it's going to be a lot more bang for your buck. So, yet another straightforward product from Athena. Another cool thing about this product is it can solve minor potassium deficiencies, but other than that, it's mainly geared for stacking your plants in their final end of their bloom cycle. So you can find this product and many more like it at monstergardens.com, or you can stop by our Sonoma County location. Thanks for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for us, and if you have any products that you'd like us to feature on Grow Closet, go ahead and comment down below.